going to make pasta with fresh tomatoes from these and salad from those. These are the tomatoes from the garden. I washed them. And then I'm going to chop them up. Yeah. Wow, nothing like organic, homegrown tomatoes, especially in January. We'll get the garlic in there. It's chopped and clean. All the tomatoes in there. Okay, so now we got the fresh basil regular. Beautiful. I'm gonna cut that up. Sprinkle some oregano, dry oregano. Like that. Then you gotta put the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Right there. I don't know how much that is, but there. That's good enough. And salt. And then mix it all together like this. Smash it a little bit. Just a little twist of fresh ground pepper. That's it. If you want it like a little spicy, you can put a little bit crushed red pepper. Okay, tomatoes have been bathing in flavors, and then I'm gonna cook some pasta in Parpaddelle. Yes, normally I cook extra pasta and I save it like the restaurant. And then when I need pasta in 5 minutes, it's my pasta. So meanwhile, the tomatoes I put them in this frying pan because I want to warm them up before I mix it with the pasta. Man, this is gonna taste good. Look at that garlic there, basil, olive oil. Okay, the pasta's mixing there. Let's flip it out. Okay, good. Almost 1 more minute, it's done. Now we're gonna put the fresh basil in. Okay, now this is a special cheese that I brought from my town, in Sicily. I watched the guy make it. It's dry ricotta cheese, but man, the flavor with this is special. So you have to save it for special occasion. So this pasta with the fresh tomato. Oh yeah, like snow skiing on it. Now we're gonna find out from my lady guest.
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo, grazie. Salute.